Hey, it's Keith at Sprockets Speed Shop again here in Orlando, Florida. Today we have a 2018 Yamaha R1m. Beautiful bike to begin with. Customer came in today, had us install this new Austin Racing exhaust. Fit and finish on this thing is amazing. We have a Graves block-off kit that we installed. Unfortunately, I missed a video for all that. Apologize for that, guys. We also installed a integrated tail light and these running lights. Integrated blinker blinks, also wired for the side blinkers. These side blinkers are actually amazing because they actually, from the side, allow the bike to be seen also. This is during the day, so they're not really that bright, but in person these are actually really bright, guys. And again, had the Graves block-offs installed. Austin Racing. This thing is loud. I'm gonna go ahead and give you a little audio clip on it. And again, Sprockets Speed Shop here in Orlando, Florida.